Hey everybody! So today I'm going to do a full wash and style for you. First thing I do is I take my hair out of my ponytail holder, shake it out a little, give myself a nice scalp massage. First thing I'm going to use is CurlMix Hair Growth Serum. This stuff smells like watermelons. It smells amazing. Massage, massage, massage. And I did speed this video up a little bit. Shake it out. How's that for volume? Do a little bit more massaging. It's always a good idea to take your rings off before you do this, which I did not do. Volume. Now I've left that in for a couple minutes, so the first thing that I'm going to do is clarify with apple cider vinegar shampoo and then condition with Sally's GVP Conditioning Balm. Now I did not rinse all of the conditioner out. First thing I'm going to use is CurlMix Moisturizing Cream with praying hands on my ends. Almost slipped out of my hand. And then after I've done the praying hands, I am going to now work it up to my scalp. But not actually on my scalp. Now I'm going to use CurlMix Pure Flaxseed Gel in the Growth, which also smells like watermelons. Using praying hands and detangling as I go, making sure there's no loops that are sticking out. Now this flaxseed gel does cause me some flash drying. So, next is LA Looks Gel. I put LA Looks over top of this because of the flash drying. This gives me a little bit of slip back to my hair and gives me extra hold because with my 3B hair, the flaxseed gel does not give me enough hold by itself. The reason I use praying hands is that I'm not getting any gel on my scalp, which is going to give me more movement when I diffuse. Flip over, finger comb a little bit, and then praying hands for everything around your face. Don't forget the back of your head. Now I flip it hard so that the hair in the back doesn't stick up. And doing a little bit more praying hands and finger combing on the back before I plop. Now that the plop is set, leave it on for 15 minutes. Let's do some diffusing. So in this tutorial, I use the ManesByMel technique, which is high heat and high speed. Now I know we aren't supposed to be using high heat, but I'm not putting any direct heat onto my hair, and I am constantly moving the diffuser around. The first thing you want to do is lean forward and dry your roots at the back. My arms do get tired with this usually, and I set my diffuser on my bathroom sink and roll my head from side to side. Next, you want to flip it to one side and dry out your roots. I do have arthritis in my hands, so it's easier for me to hold the hair dryer like this. Notice the diffuser is not touching my hair. Then flip up, lean your head back, and diffuse so your hair stays away from your face. Tried to switch hands there, but my thumb was not having it. Somebody needs to get me a Dyson. Because I'm constantly moving it around, my scalp is not getting hot. My hair is not getting hot. And I do put my hand on the other side of the diffuser to make sure. Now I'm putting it on medium heat and low speed to pixie diffuse. Just checking to see if it's any close to being dry. Still on low heat, but higher speed. This is how I am putting it against my head. now that I'm about 75% dry, I put my shades on. And I leave it to finish drying like this for about an hour. So I was a dummy and was hitting